So what I got here is a Spigen screen protector for the Pixel 9a, which I just received and put in this wonderful Spigen case. Actually, I've been using screen protectors of this brand for all of my phones and my family smartphones for a few years already, and I find them pretty easy to install and pretty nice to use. And you're getting 2 of them. And I think that this time is different because previously they had like an orange frame which you had to put on the phone and then you put on the glass. But I guess this time it's even easier. And in case anything goes wrong, we have the spatula, which allows to push out air from behind the glass. So here they offer 2 wipes. Okay. Pretty good. I don't mind it. I will use it, although my phone is new, but I don't mind it to be clean before applying the screen protector, and we have this nice cloth. You're getting actually 2 glasses for like 20 euros on Amazon, or 20 something euros on Amazon, which is pretty good. I will leave in the description the link to this particular glass on Amazon. Now, the moment of truth. Okay, press, slide, and wait 30 seconds. That's exactly what I'm going to do in here. Okay, I think 30 seconds have passed, and whoa! Yeah. And I think that I have to remove pressure slide. Okay, remove starting from here. So, what do I have? Is the actual result. Huh. This is pretty good. So I see the air just in a few spots, like here and here and here. And this is very easy to remove. Yeah, I think I'm done with removing the air from it. So it's perfectly fine. It looks perfect. Actually, the positioning of the glass is great. It's not touching the edge, so if you're using the phone caseless, you can just swipe from the left edge and it doesn't bother you. Yeah, the quality of the glass, like when you touch it, it's as smooth as the original screen of the Pixel 9a. Maybe even smoother, I don't know. And I think that it lasts long because on my old Pixel 6a, I also have this kind of screen protector from the same Spigen brand and the same type. And it still feels good, like it doesn't feel like a window glass, you know? It feels like it has an olefinic coating to it. And now let's see if my Spigen case pushes this glass out or not. I mean, it comes from the same brand and this phone has pretty thick bezels, so it should be fine. And yeah, it is fine. A perfect set. So yeah, I can truly recommend this Spigen screen protector. Anybody who even doesn't have experience in applying those screen protectors can apply one to their phone, and I think this is just a great way to protect your screen, because the screen of the smartphone is usually way more expensive than the glass screen protector, and you don't really notice it. I mean, it weighs barely nothing, it doesn't stick out anywhere, like you don't even see it, you can't even tell the difference if it's there or not, especially with the case on. So yeah, I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.